So hi guys, welcome back to Rap Pandal. So we're gonna do today's our midnight snack, oatmeal with chocolate syrup and some apples and some honey. So guys, my sister's a bit of a creepy box. So we're gonna do first pour the oats in the bowl. It's like girls kiss this. So guys, let's put the chocolate now. This chocolate thing, any chocolate, etc.
Chocolate syrup.
Chocolate yung buhat. Chocolate. Sorry guys, sorry. So, let's put it. Ate! Ulitin ba natin?
Nah.
So guys, let's mix.
Add more.
Then tomorrow we will make a slime video.
Wow, slime video ka dyan. Wala tayo bukas ah.
I mean, on Tuesday, slime video day.
Gagawin niya sa Tuesday.
Wala pasok.
May gagawin niya sa Tuesday.
Ano nga?
Dapat ganito itsura.
And then,
Just add it.
add
this.
and make it darker.
Make it look like you.
Fenice. Ano pa pangalan ni Fenice? Alexandria Fenice. If you watch this video, do not bully me again next school year, or else I'm gonna tell you to my mom, and I will let her and I'll put you in the principal's office. And okay, guys, let's continue mixing.
Just make it look like this.
Just like skin that, just like. So guys, Ate's helping me.
Ew.
This way for 700 years. 700 years later, Ate Sarah still mixing. Nagdagan natin.
Nah.
Serving mo de!
Makain.
Baby.
Okay, done.
So, please watch Gacha Life.
Next
All the Gacha Life videos. So, let's put the honey then.
No!
I mean the hot
Then
water.
we cook it. This is instant.
Instant Australian Harvest instant oat.
We recommend
Comment
this
down below if you like apples
on oatmeal.
on oatmeal, or if you don't like, just comment down below if you different
Triggered ako.
fruit.
Konti pala niya.
Serving mo na.
Okay, take 2 because it's too much.
Take 2, guys. Ako okay na. Ako rin padagdag.
No.
Anong ginagawa mo?
No. Oh my God.
Sorry guys about that. Nakita ba?
No.
Nakita sa YouTube yun?
Hindi.
Ang pinge. Isa.
Oh my God, that was unexpected.
Sorry guys.
There's more.
My ate's a little bit clumsy.
How dare you?
A little lang nga eh.
Yan, sumigaw?
Oo. Sorry guys about that. Ano ba? So guys, ate tama na.
No paste!
So guys, my upcoming birthday is on May 1. Please greet it to me. Happy birthday down below. So my sister, I'll watch the video later. If some of you notice that she says anything in back of me, I'm gonna kill her with tickles. So just keep mixing. It's a disaster now.
Yes, it's very messy.
God. Aga ba ubos natin ito zero?
No!
Joke lang. Tignan mo ginawa mo. Uulit na naman ako. Okay na ba to?
Part 2. Ew! Why is it so sticky?
Ate! Kanina pa natin inahawakan yan eh.
Malay ko po. May napansin.
Okay na ba to? Dadagdagan ko pa.
Sorry, man. It's a German
Sorry
phone.
guys, my sister's a German phone. Just like all around Audrey and just Jordan 33. And this is in my family. There are 3 persons that are night owls. Number 1 is Ate Sarah.
That's you.
Of course, our number 1, Monique, dessert.
What's the dessert?
Oatmeal with apple and honey.
And chocolate
Bakit ang
syrup.
daming bukas na ilaw?
I don't know. Hindi
Because
namin
it's
nangyari
good for
lang po
life.
aksidente kanina.
Actually,
Ate's turned into a clumsy person.
I am a clumsy person.
O, totoo naman eh. So guys, I'm not a clumsy person. I am... Clumsy ba ako? Aba, clumsy ba ako, Nina? Baby, motor!
Pag sinabi niya na oo, huwag kang iiyak.
Ninang, clumsy ba ako?
Oo.
Ikaw din.
Nagtanong ka.
Inuubos niya tubig.
Opo, busin namin.
Gugus naman ako.
Si ate kasi... So guys, just mix until it turns to Ate Sarah. Ate Sarah's most newest videos. So please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Ate Sarah don't have a channel because she don't want. Nag-chaburato na.
Temporado.
So guys, if you like K-pop, please go to Blackpink.
In your area.
Both for Rose, Lisa, Jennie, and Jisoo. And in Ate Sarah's favorite,
Yes.
sabi mo yung members.
No.
And Red Velvet.
Beiju Yun, Kang Solgi, Sun Sungwan,
And Irene, Teacher
Park
Irene.
Soo-young,
Teacher Irene.
Kim Yarim,
And Yeri, of course. And then in Twice, we have Neon.
Jihyo Momo,
And
Mina.
Hirai Momo.
Hirai Momo nakilala mo?
Then Sana.
Isan. Sugi.
In Momoland, so we have Nancy, Jui, Ahin, Daisy, Teha, Nayun. Kasi! Nina mo!
Hello, pe.
Okay na?
Hindi.
Yung sa'yo, hilaw na?
Hilaw pa, hindi hilaw na.
Hilaw pa.
Mina, pwede ba yun? Luto naging hilaw uli.
So guys, this will take longer.
Thick mixture.
Okay na ba to?
No.
Yung sa'yo, okay na?
No. Still has water.
Okay na. Wala ng tubig ko. Ano na gagawin? So guys, let's put some honey.
Ako ba lang yung honey?
So my sister, Ate Sarah, will put honey on the bowl. I wish sana hindi ako ma-poison kasi pamisag ginagawa niya poison. Charot. Joke lang.
Diba?
Ano ba?
Nagawa mo.
Nagawa mo. So guys, let's just mix it. Nag-chapurado na.
Hindi rin.
Paano kasi dinagdagan pa ng tubig? Nag-chapurado.
Hindi naman talaga dapat eh.
Ha?
Hindi naman talaga dapat. Then we put apples.
Hindi, honey muna.
Apples. This was my idea.
Those mine.
This was my idea.
Gawin mo na 1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go! So guys, I'm a singer, main vocalist of the school of the classroom, and of course I'm a main dancer. Ate Sarah is the main rapper of the family. He's the lead dancer, lead vocalist, and the visual.
Ganda ko kasi.
Paano mo nasabi?
Kasi may bibig ako.
Paano mo ginamit bibig mo?
Siyempre, ginamit ko utak ko.
Paano mo ginamit
My
utak
brain
mo?
sent signals all the way to
Yan
my...
yung nag-uusap kayo. Natanawin na pag-just ginagawa.
Na. I can, baby, go stop. Never mind. Sorry guys about the condition. Okay na to, no?
Yeah.
Lagyan natin honey. Si Ate Honey Arena. Miss mo na siya.
Honey Arena. Nakakasat ko pa naman. Oo na, syempre.
Grade 8 tayo,
Idea
no?
ko to eh. Grade 9.
Grade 9. Grade 9 na?
Sa pasukan. Oh my God. No! No!
And both for the BA and the Armed Navy.
Okay. So as you can see, mine is looking better than his.
So guys, she's being mayabang. I'm the most better.
Most better. Oh my God.
I'm so sorry I'm not good at English. I'm just good at Korean. I'm half Korean. Joke. I'm just pure Filipino. Don't listen to her. She's a liar.
Ninang oh.
Hindi mo ba alam si Wendy, February 21. Si Ulgi naman, February 10. Wala, sorry.
Alam nyo, gabi na.
Sorry, si ate kasi.
Gabi na.
Sorry, alam ko. So guys, I'm done.
Pa naman naririnig ako hindi ka kaya.
Ate ninang So guys, ate leave for a while. Let's just mix. Yes, let's just mix. Tomorrow is our recognition day. Ate, okay na ba to? I-mix pa ba sa'yo?
Na.
More honey! Pwede ba? Uy! Pakalagyan na yung sugar sa atin. Si sugar. Sorry!
Tamis-tamis na ng rap.
Okay lang! Ano mangyari sa akin?
Digin. Ano ba?
Shine on me! So guys,
Sino kumanta ng part na yan?
Wendy.
Ang pangalan ni Wendy.
Jungkook Kwang.
Wang. As you can see.
Hirai Wendy.
Hiray Wendy.
So guys,
Uy, kayong dalawa. Kapit-bahay natin, tahimik na kayong ingay nyo pa.
Taste test. Pa!
di ako kasama. Hali pa ako. Ha?
Hali pa ako.
Hindi nga pwede. Hindi ayaw na ni ma'am si pabalik-balik. Sasama ka sa kabag ka. Sasama din ang phone mo. You want? Sasama ka, kasama phone mo, or hindi ka, dadayin namin. Ma'am, Ninang Ninang, nananakot po si ate. Huwag ka nga manakot.
Congratulations.
So, i-end ko na may video.
Na.
So, hanggang kailan?
Mismo ko sa... Tawag mo.
I'm sure I know. She's the most beautiful girl in the world. Right? Do you agree, guys? Yes, we agree. She's the most smartest student a little bit. Kasi!
Ganun lang ako eh.
Nagbabad finger si ate sa camera.
Sarah.
Ikaw nahuli ka naman nagbabad finger last time, nung nag-picture tayo. Liar. Nakagalaw ka eh. Ikaw din, balik sa'yo. So guys, end ko na. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like or else.